Which video should we watch? I think that one. Okay. Oh, I wish I had that fidget. Yeah, me too. Wait, guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Probably not. But I don't know. What are you thinking? I'm thinking maybe we'll ask for some fidgets for our birthdays. No, our birthdays are too far away. Then what's your plan? Let's steal fidgets from Mommy. But she does play with fidgets a lot, so I don't know how we're gonna get them. You know, maybe she won't notice if they're gone. What fidget should I bring to school? All of them! I love my stress ball. Where's my fidget? Where's my fidget? Oh! Harper. I don't think this is a good idea, Harper. How about if Mom gets us in trouble? But how about if she doesn't? Okay, fine. Okay. She does really love her fidgets, so she's probably playing with some right now, so we have to sneak into her bedroom. Okay. Okay. Shh, there he is. Oh, I love this new Simple Dimple I got. It's so satisfying. I better not lose this. It's one of my favorite fidgets. Mommy! What, Harper? I spilled slime on the couch. What? You spilled slime on the couch? I'm coming. Great, now we're in her room. That should keep her away for about 5 minutes. Okay, let's go for the fidget bin. I want that one. I want this fidget. No, I want that one. No, I want that one. I want this fidget. No, I want that one. Oh! Okay, now let's get out of here. Harper, you didn't spill slime on the couch. Now let me play with some fidgets. Where are my fidgets? Harper? Harper! Where are my fidgets? Yes, Mommy. Harper, why are you playing with all my fidgets? To be exact, we actually stole them, so finders keepers, losers weepers. Harper, that's not fair. You can play with my fidgets, but you can't steal them. You can ask. Sorry. It was all Harper's idea. Hey, that's not nice, Cam. But it technically was. Ugh, fine, it was my idea. Harper, you can just ask and I'll play with you and I'll give you some fidgets. Really? Yes. You can just ask. You don't have to steal them all. Sorry. It's okay, but Harper, just ask me and I'll let you play with anyone you want. Okay, well, I've learned my next lesson. Just ask. Yes, Harper. You can't just go stealing things and not asking. Sorry. Well, at least you learned your lesson. And I would never think Mallory and Cam would help. Well, we were watching YouTube videos and I really wanted fidgets. We'll just ask next time. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye! Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let us know, have you ever stole fidgets?